So hey there, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we'll be talking about Graph. It's like GraphQL and versus REST API as a comprehensive comparison. So this is an article on moisefvlogs.com, and we are covering the section of API strategies. So a comprehensive comparison GraphQL. It's like GraphQL versus REST. So the conversation around data fetching and API management is increasingly dominated by two major players, GraphQL and REST. These technologies, while serving the same purpose of facilitating communication between client and server, offer markedly different approaches and philosophies. GraphQL, emerging as a popular alternative to a traditional RESTful architecture, brings a new dimension to data retrieval, efficiency, and flexibility. REST, with its simplicity and widespread adoption, continues to be a reliable standard in the design of web services. The comprehensive comparison aims to dissect the intricacies of both GraphQL and REST, providing a deep dive into their features, differences, and ideal use cases. So it's designed to guide developers, both seasoned and new, through the nuances of each, enabling informed decisions in the rapidly evolving landscape of web development. The debate between GraphQL and REST is more than a mere comparison of technical specifications. It's a reflection of the evolving needs of modern web applications and the challenges developers face in meeting these demands. As client applications become increasingly complex, the limitations of traditional API approaches become more apparent. GraphQL, with its innovative approach to data querying and retrieval, offers a solution tailored to this new era of web development. It allows for precise and efficient data fetching, a critical aspect in the age of mobile and real-time applications. On the other hand, REST adherence to the principles of simplicity and statelessness has made it a test. It's made like the cornerstone of web API design for over 2 decades. This section will explore how these technologies came to be, their core principles, and the unique advantages they bring to the table in different scenarios. By understanding the strengths and limitations of GraphQL and REST, developers can better navigate the choices that shape to the backbone of modern web applications. So the next section is introducing or defining what is GraphQL. So GraphQL, conceived by Facebook engineers in 2015, is marked a transformative change in API design and interaction. Fundamentally, GraphQL is both a query language for APIs and a runtime environment that executes these queries utilizing a time system tailored to your data. These capabilities, particularly in complex data-driven applications, in contrast to traditional REST APIs, which have the server determine the structure and quantity of returned data. GraphQL enables clients to accurately define their data needs. This approach not only reduces bandwidth consumption but also tackles prevalent challenges found in REST APIs like the overfetching and underfetching of data. The ability to request exactly what is needed and nothing more is particularly advantageous in mobile applications where conserving network usage and reducing latency are paramount. The architecture of GraphQL is fundamentally different from the traditional REST APIs. It uses the single endpoint to handle all queries, which contrasts sharply with the multiple endpoints typical in RESTful services. This single endpoint approach simplifies the overall structure of the API and reduces the need for extensive versioning offer encountered in REST APIs. Furthermore, GraphQL APIs are strongly typed, relying on a schema defined using the GraphQL type system. This schema acts as an agreement between the client and server, guaranteeing that the exchange data adheres to a defined structure and type. The strong typing system not only enhances the predictability of API responses, but also facilitates tooling and automation such as automatic code generation and API documentation. Additionally, GraphQL supports real-time data updates through subscriptions, making it an ideal choice for applications requiring real-time functionality, such as chat applications or live data feeds. The combination of these features makes GraphQL a powerful tool for developers, offering greater control efficiency, and flexibility in managing data exchanges between clients and servers. So, key features: GraphQL's architecture introduces a paradigm shift in API design, marked by several key features that distinguish it from traditional API approaches. Like REST, from a broader perspective, the primary advantage of GraphQL lies in its capability to allow clients to request precisely what they require. Nothing more, nothing less. This flexibility is a game changer, particularly for complex applications where efficiency and precision in data retrieval are crucial. The structure of GraphQL requires GraphQL queries is defined by the client, meaning that the shape of the response is dictated by the request, leading to the more efficient data loading.